Look at this handsome vehicle driving along. Look at the smoke coming from its exhaust pipe. It's a cement mixer. Wow, look! What shall we make today? Okay, let's choose this cement mixer. Here are all its parts. Let's begin by putting 2 wheels onto the chassis. Great! And then we'll put the other 2 wheels onto the chassis. Great! That makes 4 wheels altogether. Now, what's next? Oh yes, let's put the yellow cab for the driver on top of the chassis. Well done. And now we'll add its big revolving drum onto the chassis too. Here we go. Just like that. Click. Lovely. Looking good, right? Now let's add an exhaust chimney. Yes, that looks right. Now our cement mixer is looking good. Let's put on the radiator. It goes at the front. Great. And lastly, we'll add 2 red flashing lights at the front. And now our cement mixer is finished. Look at it driving along with smoke coming from its exhaust chimney, its big revolving drum. Isn't it handsome? It's a cement mixer and it will mix cement for us and take it from the factory to the building site. Great, well done. Which machine do you want to build next?